Hello, little learners. I'm Miss Countess, and today we'll count with zest. In our magical numberland, each digit has a special brand. Let's start with 1. Standing tall and proud, the first in line, let's say it loud. 2 comes next, a dancing pair, twirling and spinning without a care. 3 triangular and strong, in fairy tales, it can't go wrong. 4 square and steady, always ready for games and fun, it's never heady. 5 a star with points so bright, counting fingers and toes just right. 6 a circle and a line, rolling and standing, oh so fine. 7 lucky as can be, rainbow colors for you and me. 8 like snowmen stacked so neat, in math and play, it's hard to beat. 9 cats' lives or planets true, a mighty number through and through. 10 fingers spread wide, counting high with joy and pride. Now our numbers, 1 to 10, need to work together, my little friends. Can they form a rainbow bright? Let's watch them try with all their might. Look at that! A bridge so grand built by numbers hand in hand. Numbers are magic, as you can see in our world and reality. So count along, don't be shy, with numbers you can touch the sky. Thank you for counting, it's been such fun. Our number adventure is nearly done. Remember, each number has its place in our hearts and in this space. Goodbye for now, but don't you fret, we'll count again, on that you can bet.